I talked to a frame inspector who's been inspecting F-150 frames for 18 years, going underneath hundreds of trucks annually, seeing rust, cracks, and rot. He told me something every F-150 owner needs to know. There are 3 specific years where the frame simply refuses to die. 3 years that Ford built frames like they were going to war. If you have one of these 3, your frame will outlast the engine, the transmission, everything. If you own one of these 3, you don't just have an F-150, you have an indestructible foundation. In 18 years inspecting frames, he's seen everything. F-150s 8 years old with frames eating rust, brand new F-150s with cracks and weld points, and modern trucks with coating peeling off. But there are 3 specific years where the frame is different, built when Ford still used thicker steel, when anti-corrosion treatment was a priority, and engineers didn't cut costs on the invisible. Owners of these 3 years run 300,000, 400,000 miles, and when you go underneath, the frame looks like it has 50,000, with 0 rust and 0 cracks. Today, you're going to find out if you have one of the 3 F-150s with an indestructible frame. Subscribe because the frame is the only thing you can't replace. First year, 1996. If you have an F-150 1996, your frame will outlast generations. The frame inspector is direct. 1996 has the most robust frame I've ever seen in an F-150. Thicker steel, better anti-corrosion treatment, construction with no shortcuts. It's the standard that never came back. Why is 1996 special? Because it was the last year before Ford redesigned everything in 1997. When you're the last year of a generation that lasted 5 years, you get all the refinements, all the treatment improvements, all the perfected processes. The 1996 frame uses thicker gauge steel than later years, with protection coating applied in multiple layers and reinforced welds at critical points. The inspector showed me photos of a 1996 with 420,000 miles he inspected. He went underneath expecting to see typical rust. There wasn't any. The frame was perfect. He said, it looked like it was manufactured 5 years ago, not 28. If you have 1996, you can replace the engine twice, transmission 3 times, but your frame? It'll be there intact when you pass it to your grandkids. Second year, 2004. If you have 2004, you have what the inspector calls the strongest frame Ford ever made in an F-150. He explained, 2004 was the year of the hydroformed process. Ford used extreme hydraulic pressure to mold the frame, resulting in a frame with no weak points, no welds in critical areas, a single piece molded under tons of pressure. Hydroforming was expensive technology. Ford invested in it in 2004, but after, they went back to cheaper processes. 2004 caught this process at its peak. The inspector is categorical. When I see a 2004 with high mileage, I already know. The frame will be impeccable. Structural corrosion rate, almost 0. Compare with 2006, 2007, rust appearing. There's impressive data. In 18 years inspecting, he's only seen 3 2004 frames with severe structural corrosion, all from coastal regions with extreme salt exposure. Normal use? The frame is eternal. If you have 2004, you have the year where Ford used technology they never repeated again. You caught the absolute peak of chassis engineering. Third year, 2009. If you have 2009, you have what the inspector calls the last frame of the old guard. Why? 2009 was the last year before Ford started transitioning to lighter materials. 2010 brought changes, 2011 more changes. But 2009? It's the last frame built with durability above all mentality. 2009 still used high-strength steel with no compromise on weight, still had generous anti-corrosion coating, and still had thickness that prioritized longevity over fuel economy. The inspector told me, when a client asks me which modern F-150 has a frame that'll last 20 years worry-free, I say, 2009, last one before everything changed. There's important context. 2009 was built still under pre-2008 crisis standards. Ford hadn't started aggressive cost cutting yet. 2010 onward, Pressure for efficiency changed everything. If you have 2009, you caught the last year where the frame was built like it used to be, the last of the indestructibles before the modern lightweight era. So those are the three: 1996, 2004, and 2009. 3 F-150 years where the frame, the foundation you don't see, but that holds everything, was built to last generations. Because a frame isn't like an engine you replace, a transmission you replace. A bad frame? The truck is done. If you own one of these 3 years, you don't need to worry about the foundation. Your frame will outlast everything. It'll be perfect when the rest needs its third rebuild. 18 years of inspection confirm these 3 years are different. Thousands of inspections prove these 3 last. Photos underneath the trucks prove these 3 don't rust. Which of the 3 do you have? Comment the year and the miles. And if you've already been underneath your frame and it's perfect, tell us how many miles and what region you use it in. Let's prove that these 3 frames really are indestructible. If you take care of your frame, hit that like button. And next week, I'm showing the 3 F-150 years with the most reliable transmission Ford ever put in a pickup. See you then.